Hey, welcome to Chef Nil channel. Today I am going to prepare something very simple. Okay, take out your sliced bread and toast for both sides. Get your feta cheese and put a few slices on your bread. Peel and slice 1 or 2 tomatoes, or 1 onion, peel and slice, basil, a little bit olive oil. Get a few sliced tomatoes on your bread, a few sliced onion, basil, and a little bit olive oil. This is ready to eat. Perfect for hot summer days, lunch or afternoon hour appetizer. Very light, easy, practical, and not much calorie. Bon appetit! If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon to get notification for the next video. See you on the next one. Bye bye!